Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. I'm a registered nurse and a yoga teacher, and I help folks improve their balance, build strength, and reduce pain. Today, I am going to share with you my 3 favorite stretches to do first thing in the morning. This is a great practice for beginners, seniors, folks with limited mobility, and all you need is a sturdy chair to get you started. Before we do start, I'd love to share with you something exciting I have happening in my online community. I am now offering online live yoga classes, and if you'd like to get in on that, please check out the links below to learn more. Okay, let's get into this practice. So begin now by grounding your feet into the earth. Allow your shoulders to be soft away from the ears. Palms might face towards the front of your room, and take a moment to close down your eyes, recentering, recalibrating. Just notice what's here. Maybe the sound of my voice, maybe your breath, any sounds within your space. Take this time to ground and center, being fully present in this moment. And please gently open your eyes if they were closed. You can roll out your wrists. Let's send one arm to the sky. Inhale. Exhale, fold over to the other side for a side body stretch. Release that, and we'll take it to the other side. Inhale, get long in the fingertips, and then exhale, fold over. Nice job. Release that. We'll shake it out. We're going to take our hands to the hips and then find some little circles here, just rolling out the hips in one direction. And then just take that in the other direction, other way. 3, 2, and 1. Let's come to the top of our chair. Fingertips can come onto the back of the chair, and we're going to move into some heel lifts. We're just going to simply lift the heels and lower down. Maybe you lift the toes as you rock on the heel of the foot and the ball of the foot. Mindful, controlled movement here, just waking up the underside of the foot. We call it the fascia, the calf muscles, upper thighs. For 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead and just finish out that last one. We're going to come into our first move. So fingertips to the back of the chair, step one foot back, followed by the other. Feel length through the spine. Go to your degree of stretch. We're coming into a downward facing dog. You can feel the length in your spine, and then we're here for several rounds of mindful breath. Maybe you bend one knee as you straighten the other, shifting the hips and rocking the hips a little side to side. And take this time to slow down and just reestablish that connection with your breath, breathing in through the nose and out through the nose or the mouth. Nice job. And then coming through center, find some stillness. Press through the left foot. Take the right foot towards the top of the chair. We're going to make our way into our next stretch. It's a crescent lunge. So bend the front knee, so it should be your right knee, and then also bend that back knee. That's going to give you a little tuck in the pelvis to help find that length through your spine. Now we have this chair here. Maybe you play with your balance, reaching one arm to the sky. Find something out in front of you that's not moving, so you're not looking down or up towards the ceiling, you're straight out in front. And then if you feel strong and you want to give it a try, maybe you float a finger or two off the chair. Maybe you even reach the other arm towards the sky. Breathe here. Feel strong and stable in the lower body, nice and light in the upper body. We're here for 3, 2, and 1. Set the hands down on the back of the chair, step it back, finding downward facing dog again. And take this time to pedal out the feet, shift the hips side to side. And press into that right foot. We're going to step that left foot towards the top of the chair, coming back into crescent lunge on the opposite side. Bend through the left knee and also that back knee to get that lift in the spine. And then when you're ready, maybe the other arm reaches towards the sky. And play with your balance, floating a finger or two off the chair or reaching both arms towards the sky. Reconnect with your breath. Notice when you're challenged, if you hold your breath, see if you can come back to that mindful control of the breath, breathing in and breathing out. And then take your time. We'll release both fingertips or all fingertips to the back of the chair. Step it back again, downward facing dog. Nice job. Take a look forward. A nice slow tiptoe will get us back to the top of the chair. Nice. Then we're going to move into our final move. I would love for you to have your chair on the left side of your body. That's where mine is. And then we're going to take the feet kind of wide here. So a wide stance. My left hand is touching the chair. Turn those left toes to face the chair. Nice job. And then we're going to bend the left knee. Now please note my right toes are facing towards you. So, okay. And then from here, hand stays on the chair, or maybe drop the forearm to the back of the chair. We're going to sweep the right arm to the sky, maybe reach it past your right ear. And we find ourselves in this extended side angle pose. Now you could stay here, or maybe you look up towards the ceiling, maybe pull that right elbow back a little bit in space. Keep the chest lifted. You could also look out in front or even at the ground, just depending on your neck. Breathe. Nice job, guys. And then we're going to start to come out of this pose, releasing the arm down, stepping back up, turn the toes in, and then we'll heel toe the feet towards one another. We're going to repeat that pose, extended side angle, on the other side. So I'm just going to move my chair. You might just walk to the other side of your chair. It's your choice. And then from here, take a wide base of support, something that's comfortable for you. Turn the right toes to face your chair. Bend your right knee. Forearm to the back of the chair. Sweep the left arm up, or maybe extend it past your ear. Maybe you look up towards the sky. Breathing long and deep, not holding the breath, allowing the breath to flow naturally in and out. For 3, 2, and 1, we'll release that left arm down, straighten through the legs. You can turn the toes in, heel toe the feet together, or hop it to the center. And we're gonna finish out this practice with 1 round of mindful breathing. Find Mother Mountain, soften your shoulders from the ears, palms face forward. Take a deep breath in through the nose. And open the mouth side out, let it go. Well done, my friend. I hope you enjoyed that practice. Of course, if you would like to learn more about the work I do and how you can get involved and join me for live online yoga classes, please check out my website, emilydarty.com, and I will see you again in the next video. Take good care. Bye-bye.